In the heart of Tokyo, where the culture, cuisine, convenience meets, there's a place designed for effortless living. Hi, I'm Glasswood from Japan Real Estate. We are an award-winning property agency dedicated focused on Japan property market. Just moments from Roppongi Hills and Nishi-Azabu area, this home offers a rare walkability, even underground pedestrian bridge. So there's no need to cross the busy road. Surrounded by Michelin-style dining, international supermarket, and a global community. This is a location loved by creative, executive, and families from around the world. Decorate on a quiet street, this home offers privacy, security, and a generous parking, easily accommodating a large car. The residence also has an EV car charging port for the environmentally conscious, leading to cost savings and a reduced carbon footprint. With a flexible ground floor layout, with your own kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, it's perfect for grandparents, or guests, or living mate, or even you can make it your private home office. At the heart of the home, high ceiling and abundant light creates the living space that's both welcoming and impressive. An expansive island and bar counter make entertaining effortless, whether it's a quiet evening with family or a night with friends. Front row detail matter like a dedicated laundry room that can be closed off, keeping your home guests ready at all times. Upstairs, a master suite feels like a private retreat, complete with a double sink bathroom and the comfort-enhancing features on every floor. Integrating security monitoring offers you a peace of mind whether you are home or away. The residence has a solar power generation system, so you can enjoy energy savings while using energy-efficient appliances throughout the home. And above it all, a rooftop made for an unforgettable moment, an open view of Roppongi Hills, running water, and a place to host, to relax, and take in the city skyline. This isn't a place to live. This is the place where you feel at home and the center of it all.